everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Chirag Gowda, and today we are going to talk about Python, introduction to Python, and getting the overview of list and tuples. List and tuples unleashed, mastering Python programming. Let's see the table of contents. We are going to give an introduction to Python. We talk about list, tuples, and we are going to conclude it. Let's see the introduction to Python. Welcome to the world of Python programming. We will explore the fascinating concept of lists and tuples. Lists are the collection of items that are ordered and mutable, meaning you can change their contents. Tuples, on the other hand, are similar to lists, but they are immutable, meaning once they are created, they cannot be changed. In this presentation, we will dive deeper into these concepts and learn how they can be used in Python programming. Let's see about the list. List. Lists are useful in programming because they allow you to store and manipulate large amount of data. For example, you can use a list to store a list of names or numbers and then perform operations on the entire list such as sorting or searching for specific elements, adding elements to a list to straightforward using the append method. For example, if we have a list of numbers and we want to add the number 5 to the end of the list, we can use my.append. Removing elements from a list can be done using several methods including remove, pop, delete. The remove method removes the first occurrence of the specified element, while pop removes an element at the specific index and returns its value. The delete keyword can also be used to remove elements by their index. Let's see about the tuples. Tuples are defined using parentless instead of square brackets, and elements are separated by commas. For example, a tuple containing the number 1, 2, and 3 would be written as in the parenthesis 1, 2, 3. Tuples can also contain different types of elements such as strings and integers. One of the key features of tuples is their immutability, which means that once a tuple is created, it cannot be modified. This makes tuple useful for situations where you want to ensure that data remains constant throughout your program. Common operations that can be performed on tuples include indexing and slicing. Just like with lists, you can access individual elements of a tuple using their index position. Additionally, you can use slicing and extract a subset of elements from a tuple. Conclusion. In conclusion, lists and tuple are powerful data structures in Python programming that allow for efficient storage and manipulation of data. Lists are also mutable and can be modified easily, while tuples are immutable and provide a secure way to store data that should not be changed. Both list and tuple offer a variety of operations that can be performed on them, such as indexing, slicing, and sorting. It is important to understand the differences between lists and tuple and when to use each one of it in your program. By using these data structures efficiently, you can write more efficient and effective code. We encourage you to explore these concepts further and experiment with different ways to use list and tuple in your own programming projects. Thank you.